Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find players' location in Rise of Kingdoms. Locating another player in Rise of Kingdoms is quick and simple once you know where to look. Start by using the coordinate search feature found near your power display at the top of the screen. Tap the search icon and enter the exact X and Y coordinates of the location you want to find. If the player is in a different kingdom, you can also switch servers before confirming the search. After entering the correct coordinates, the map will instantly direct you to that specific location. If you don't have the coordinates, another reliable option is to open your Alliance member list, view the player's profile, and message them directly to request your location details. With accurate coordinates or communication, tracking a player's position becomes fast and efficient. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.